Came out this morning, threw the trash away, noticed I had a flat tire. Come on, let's check it out. Caught a flat, so we ready to go and get the tire changed on here. I don't know how it happened. And I gotta go get a car wash. It's crazy. But I'm pretty ready to go do it. Go get it done, for sure. Hop over here. Just got over here at the tire shop and get this tire fixed. I had to drive it over here. Fortune still spin. Get the tire switched out. You know, so sometimes it ain't good to ride on skinnies. It picks up any type of little nail, debris, whatever it is that happened. He said it was a little hole in there, but you know, we're gonna fix it, we're gonna get it together. Go get it cleaned up, get it washed. It's filthy. It rained before I parked it, so it's been, you know, got a little rain on there. So I go fix it, wash it up. Make sure y'all ride the skinnies. Make sure that y'all really can't pay attention to everything. You know, it be all type of stuff in the middle of the road that you can't really, you know, get around, but you can get around potholes and stuff like that. But for the most part, I love it. So you just gotta go with what you love and go with what you know. Fix it when it's damaged. That's what I'm doing, fix it. So let's get to it. So we're ready to go out and take a look at what they're going to do with the tire and stuff. Got everything set up. So actually they offer financing for tires. You know, a lot of people say, oh, you just paid a little $1,000, $1,500 for the tires. That's cool, but shit, if you can finance them, you're going to finance them, build your credit history. That's called building your credit history. So you get that positive debt, pay it off, and you can see different accounts to build history on your credit. So let's go check that tire out and see how they're doing for us. So having a little malfunction over here. This shop really don't do low profile tires, so we have to order a tire. So gonna get that done tomorrow. But I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about the difference between, you know, financing and paying cash for something, because a lot of people look at it like it's dumb if you got the cash in your pocket to finance it. And I look at it like it's not dumb, because eventually and essentially you're going to want to use your credit. One, to purchase a house, if your mind is that far into building your future, to leave your kids something, or your wife or your husband or whatever. But you need good credit. So when you buying these small items, like a set of tires, you know, depending on what kind of car you have, $800, $900, brand new. Finance that, pay it off. It's a paid off account, which building your history, your payment history up. So just finance. Then when you finance, I get you some window wipers, get you some whatever, just throw it in there, if you wanted more money. But I just say, any little thing that you can actually get finance it to build your primary accounts. Authorized user accounts, they really good to build your credit. A lot of people say they not, but it depends on how you operate to use them. Yeah, banks discovered the backdoor system, but at the end of the day, if you don't know how to use it, you don't know how to talk on it. If you don't offer authorized users to apply to someone credit, you don't know how it actually works. So don't listen to people that try to explain the difference between a primary and an authorized user account, because authorized users is good to build people credit to start off, because why parents add their kids to their accounts when they get old enough so they can have a good credit score history. That's where you get the history from, authorized users. Yeah, it's good, hey, let's get a secure card. No, I don't recommend secure card, because why I'm gonna give a bank my money to report something for me? I'd rather start building it myself. See, if they smart when they trying to explain something to you, they explain that authorized users is good because you can use the system to approve you for credit cards and lending, instead of allowing the underwriters or the customer service representatives on the phone make the decision for you. So you got to look at different things on how to operate the system. If they fixing your credit, they explain to you what you can do to get to the next level. If they not, tell them to get out your face. Don't give people glory when they can't show you glory. Trust and believe it. Kingslifeofcredit. Rewind that. Don't give them nothing. Don't give them the satisfaction. So remember, you build to listen. You build yourself up to listen, to gain knowledge, to do the things that you need to do in your life with your credit. Nobody gonna really care about your credit. You gotta care about your own credit. If you don't care about your own credit, next person ain't gonna care about your credit. They're gonna walk right around you. So remember that, Kingslifeofcredit. So they said that they actually got somebody to bring them a tire for me. So we're gonna agree to check that out right now. They put it on. So let's go see what they got going. Hey, just got back up over there, getting the tire done, and now, the Benz. I was thinking about wrapping the Benz, so what y'all think? I was thinking about camo blue or camo yellow. I want to do something camo. Camo yellow on both. I'm all blacked out. So I'm thinking, camo wrap yellow with some black front, yellow inside rims. I'm gonna throw 26s on him. I think the 63 gonna look good on 26s. For sure. I do think that. And I'm gonna get the trunk done like I got the trunk done in here. So I think I'm gonna do the similar setup, but these the W7 Anniversary Edition 10s. The
10s. Of 2, they got their own isolated amps. So I got one digital 12 by 1, 12 by 1. Then I got the interior focal, and I have the 750 digital Marina amp, JL Audio. So I'm gonna do the same setup in the Benz, but the 12 anniversary edition W7, 2 of them. Of course, it's gonna be the Benz symbol and everything like that on that too. So that's what I'm thinking about doing with that. Y'all tell me y'all thoughts. The camo yellow or the camo blue? I'm leaning towards the yellow though. I don't know. I think the camo yellow gonna be a lot better. The camo yellow. But y'all tell me what y'all thoughts is. Kingslifeofcredit, we back again. So this TG1, you know, so basically I want to ask you a couple of credit questions. One, how often do you check your credit?
Not so often.
Not so often?
Yeah, not so often.
So you really don't know what's really on there, but you can speculate on what you think is on there, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people do that. So if they say, or if I say, how would you check your credit? What would be the first thing you say on how you able to check your credit?
How would I check my credit?
Yeah.
Through Experian. So Experian credit check, you know. I think people do like Credit Karma and all that too, you know, whatever the sites
Right.
may be, but just pull it on up right quick and just, you know, check it out.
So do you think having good credit can actually change your situation in a lot of different ways?
Yes.
How?
Yes. Cause money can't buy everything, and based off my research, you know, it's a lot of like basically searching for a car, for instance. You know, it's a lot of cars is you have good credit, then it's zero money down.
Right.
You know, so
Right.
but if you got bad credit, you gotta put down that $2,000.
Exactly.
You know,
So basically, you know, when it comes to financing cars, if you get your credit fixed, $1,500, $2,500, it'll avoid you from 1, paying too much of a down payment. 2, this is the critical one. Kingslifeofcredit fans, listen to me. This is the most critical one that everybody want to complain about, paying someone to help your situation, change your situation. Your APR, your interest rate of your loan. Your interest rate 10% and over, don't get the car. For what? You can't be that thirsty to have a car to ride around to see the next person. It doesn't cost that much to do that. But if you pay to get your credit fixed, I'm not forcing you to pay me. I'm telling you to invest in yourself so you can get 6% interest rate, 2% interest rate, 3% interest rate. That's what you want. You want those low interest rate auto loans, so when your car depreciates, when you take it off the lot, you can still see money out of it when you trade it in or sell it. So you have to remember, building yourself up is everything. It's everything. It's everything. Build yourself up. You want a Benz? Yes, this is a 19. Bought it brand new, still got 20,000 miles on it. Last year of the big engine, loud exhaust. If you want to look up the AMG 63s, they sued the 63 from the C class all the way to the GLS, which is the bigger version, the GLS 63, because of the loud exhaust. So they had to quiet the exhaust, calm down the engine, and made 53s. This was the last year of that model. So of course I don't want to get rid of this. For what? Still got 20,000 miles on it. When I get 30,000 miles, I don't want to drive it no more. Why? Because it's going to be money. It's gold. It's gold. So y'all remember, clean your credit up. If you don't know about your credit, DM me, hit me up. Hey, subscribe to my channel, like this video right now. I had a rough day. I had a little flat tire, but it's fixed now. And I want to thank everyone that's watching this video. If y'all have any comments or anything that y'all like for me to talk about, just hit the comments down below or DM me on my Instagram, Kingslifeofcredit, and we out.